Everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView stuck on loading screen. So here is how you can easily fix the problem. The step 1 is you can simply check the internet connection. So sometimes when you are connected with a slow Wi-Fi or mobile data network, in that case the app will be stuck. So to fix, you can simply try to switch between your networks. Like if you are connected with a Wi-Fi, try to enable mobile data, and if you are mobile data, try to connect with the Wi-Fi. Then after check that your issue is fixed or not. If not, so then you can simply try to change your Wi-Fi network. So if you are having a multiple Wi-Fi networks, or you can borrow a Wi-Fi network from others to check that the issue is related to your Wi-Fi or not. Also you can go to your open places from your bedroom and then again check that the issue is fixed or not. Step 2 is you can simply force close and reopen the app. So sometimes force closing and reopen the app can easily refresh the app UI and settings menu. So close the app recent from completely, then restart the application, restart your mobile device, and then after that again open the app. The step 3 is you can simply clear the cache memory. So clearing a cache memory can refresh the UI related issues and software related problems. To do, you can close the app, go to app info section, app list, click long press on the app, go to app info. Now here you can simple go to storage usage, then click on clear the cache memory. And the last step is you can easily update the application and system components. So to update the application, you can open the App Store or Google Play Store. After that, go to search. Now type here TradingView. Then after open the app set section. And now here you can check for any kind of update if available. So wait, it will loading. Once you tap on the application, now here you will find no update available. So these are the steps that can help you to fix the problem. Goodbye.